Hello, grade 3! Welcome to our math virtual class. Today's exciting topic is all about ordering numbers up to 5,000. We'll learn how to arrange numbers from smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest. Are you ready to become number ordering masters? Let's go, grade 3! Lesson objectives for today are compare numbers using less than, greater than, and equal. Order numbers up to 5,000 from least to greatest and vice versa. And appreciate the value of numbers in real-life situations. Let us review the following symbols. When you see this symbol, this means greater than. Can you say it again, grade 3? Greater than. Good job. And when you see this symbol, it means less than. Can you say it again? Less than. Okay, very good. And when you see this symbol, it means equal to or equal. Can you say it again? Equal to. Awesome, grade 3. Now, let's try to compare the numbers using less than, greater than, or equal. So we have the following numbers. Number 1, can we read all together? We have 68 and 79. Number 2, we have 894 and 391. Number 3, we have 579 and 572. 4, we have 4,154 and 3,397. And for number 5, we have 3,000 and 3,000. So try to answer if it's less than, greater than, or equal. Good job in advance, grade 3. And now let us discuss the correct answers. Number 1. So we have 68 and 79. Which is greater, 68 or 79? So the correct answer is 79. So 68 is less than 79. The correct answer is less than. Number 2, we have 894 and 391. So, which is greater? So, we have 894 is greater than 391. So, the correct answer is greater than. Number 3, we have 579 and 572. So, 579 is greater than 572. The correct answer is greater than. Number 4, we have 4,154 and 3,397. So, yung 4,154 is greater than 3,397. So, the correct answer is greater than. Number 5, we have 3,000 and 3,000. So the correct answer is equal. Dahil parehas lang siyang 3,000. Okay? If you got all the correct answers, grade 3, good job. And now, grade 3, let us read some helpful words or important vocabulary for us to know better about ordering numbers. So the first one we have greater than. Can you read it again? Greater than. Very good. This is the symbol for greater than. So yung parang kagat niya is sa left. Greater than. Sa left. Okay? And the next one we have less than. Can you read it again? Very good. Less than. And the correct symbol is less than. L. Parang L siya. Na nakatabingi. So, ang kagat niya is sa right side. Less than. Next one we have equal to. Equal to. From the word equal, ibig sabihin parehas, pantay. So, this is the symbol for equal to or equal. Next, we have smallest and least. Can you read it again? Smallest, least. Okay, good job. So, when we say smallest, sometimes sa math, least din yung ibig sabihin. So, pag narinig natin yung least, meaning ito yung smallest. Pag narinig natin yung smallest, meaning ito yung least. Or vice versa. So, next we have largest. Greatest. Can you read it again? Okay, so when we hear the word largest, meaning greatest. When we hear the word greatest, meaning largest. Pinakamalaki, pinakamadami. Okay, grade 3, remember the following symbols and also the important vocabulary. Now, let us look at this story problem. So, let's read all together, grade 3. So, real life situation tayo. So, 4 children collected used paper. Anne collected 1,395. Bea collected 2,340. Carlo collected 3,901. And Dana collected 1,982. So, yung 4 na bata daw ay kumolekta ng mga gamit na papel na. So, yan yung mga numbers na nakolekta nila. So, let's arrange their numbers from least to greatest. When we say least, ano sabi kanina? Yung least, ito yung pinaka-kaunti, pinaka-maliit. And when we say greatest, ito ang pinaka-madami or pinaka-malaki. Okay? Or mataas na numbers. So, sabi natin, arrange from least to greatest. Ibig sabihin, uunahin mo ang pinaka-kaunti, papadami. So, mula sa maliit, konti, papadami. Okay? Pataas. So, pag in-arrange natin siya, mayroon tayong number 1, we have 1,395. Yun yung pinaka-least. Pangalawa, we have 1,982. Pangalawa sa konti. Oh. Next, ayan, di ba pataas siya? 1,000, nagsimula tayo sa least, pinaka-konti, tumataas na siya. Next, sa 1,982, we have 2,340. Okay, and then ang sumunod kay 2,340 ay si 3,901. Okay, so yan yung correct arrangement, no? Or pag-arrange pag sinabing least to greatest mula sa maliit papataas na numbers. Okay? Now, grade 3, let us try naman from greatest to least. Okay? When we say greatest, yun yung largest, no? And then least is smallest. Ano sabi? From sa pinakamadami, papaunti. Or pinakamalaking number, papaliit. Okay, so for children collected used paper. So, eto na yung binanggit natin kanina. Sige, reviewin natin. Anne, 1,395. Bea, 2,340. Carlo, 3,901. And Dana, 1,982. So, papa, liit naman. Mula sa mataas, pababa. Mataas na numbers, pababa. So, ito yung magiging sagot. First, we have 3,901. Pinaka mataas na number. Next, 2,340. Sumunod. And then, sumunod sa kanya, 1,982. And then, ang pinaka maliit, kasi papaliit, di ba? From greatest to least, 1,395. So, parang binaligtad mo lang siya. Okay? So, that is the correct na pag-arrange from greatest to least. I'm going to discuss some detailed strategies, no? Kung medyo nahihirapan kayo, kunyari malalaking numbers like thousands, hirap kayo. So, these are strategies na makakatulong sa inyo. So, now, the first step we are going to do is to create a place value table. Kapag hirap na hirap, okay, de gumawa tayo ng place value table. So, halimbawa, yung numbers natin, we have 3,892, 2,478, 4,105, 3,215. So, yan yung mga numbers na meron tayo. Tapos, ang instruction, halimbawa, ni teacher siya, arrange these numbers from least to greatest. O, again, least, pinaka, kaunti, smallest. And then, greatest, pinaka madami, no? Largest. Okay? So, pag narinig mo yung from least, mula daw sa maliit, papalaki, edi pataas ka, yung arrow, no? Pataas, pag ganyan. Okay? So, yun yung nasa mind mo. So, yun. Step 1, create a place value. So, para madian tayo, so, we have ones. Diba sa place value, we have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay? So, yung 3,892 na to, ano yung ones place? 2. Okay? Dito, 8. Yung ones. Dito, 5. Yung ones. Dito, 5 din. The next one, we have 2,478. So, i-arrange mo dito. Ito yung ones, di ba? Yung mga ones nila. Okay, arrange mo dito sa ones. Yung mga numbers. And then, sa tens, we have 9 sa una. Pangalawa, 7. Ayan, 7 dito. Dito, sa 4,105, yung tens is 0. Dito sa panghuli, 3,215, ang tens, 1. Okay, basta yun, i-arrange mo lang siya sa place value table, and then hanapin mo yung hundreds, yung sa pangatlong digits. O, dito sa una, 8. Dito, 4, 1, 2. Dito naman sa thousands, we have 3, 2, 4, and 3. So, halimbawa, ito, para mas clear, we have 3,000 3,892. So, ganito mo siya in-arrange. 3,892. Dito, 2,478. Next, we have 4,105. And last natin, we have 3,215. Okay? So, pag na-arrange mo na yan, makikita mo na agad, no? Mas clear sa isip mo or sa mata mo, yung pinakamalaki. So, 10 ka sa 1,000. Ayan, no? So, from least, makikita mo na, yung pinakakaunti. Okay, pwedeng basis mo kasi malaki or maliit. So, pwede kang mag-start dito, least, pinakakaunti. Okay, so, pinakakaunti dyan is si 2. Okay, sumunod kay 2, si 3. Okay, pag dumoble yung dalawang, halimbawa sa 1,000 place, dumoble, dalawa yung 3 sa 1,000 place, doon ka magbe-base sa 100. So, dito 8, dito 2. Sa kabila. So, ito yung pangalawa. Yung 3,215. Siya yung sumunod. Okay? And then, susunod na si 3,892. Susundan naman ni 4,105. Okay? So, na-discuss ko na, no, dun sa isang slide. So, yung step 2, yung ginawa natin, no, we compare the thousands place first, no, ito, yung 1,000 place na to. Okay, so, nakita natin yung smallest is 2,478. Next, na-compare natin yung parehong 3 yung digits, no, dun sa thousands place. Na-compare natin si 3,892 and 3,215. Okay? Na-check natin dun sa hundreds kung sino yung sumunod. Okay? And then, yung makita natin, ito nga, yung mas smallest, yung sumunod, yung 2, ito. Yan. And then, yung largest, yung last mo, kasi from least to greatest ka, ito yung pinaka-last mo. 4,105. And then, for the step 3, ito na yung final order from least to greatest. Ito na yung, sagot natin. Pinakamaliit, papalaki, 2,478. Pakibasa. Okay, next, we have 3,215. Repeat it again. Next, we have 3,892. Read it again. And the largest, or greatest, we have 4,105. So, yan yung order from least to greatest. Pinakamaliit, papalaki. Okay, grade 3. For our activity or guided practice, so, arrange from least to greatest. So, kagaya na ginawa natin kanina, mula sa maliit, papalaki. Okay? Ito yung arrange natin. 3,875, 4,002, 2,968, 3,745. Okay, pag nahirapan, pwedeng gamitin yung place value table. Okay? So, the answer for the guided practice, ito yung sagot. So, arrange from least to greatest. The answer is 2,968. Yun yung una. Second, we have 3,745. Pangalawa. Okay, next, 3,875. Yun yung pangatlo. And yung last, 4,002. Yun yung pang-apat. So, mula sa maliit, papalaki. If you got the correct answers, good job, grade 3. If not naman, practice more. Gagaling din yan. And mahahasa din yan. Still very good. Try this. Arrange from greatest to least. Ibig sabihin, mula sa pinakamalaki na numbers, papaliit. Hanggang sa pinakamaliit. So, pababa. Ito yung i-arrange natin. Read all together. 985, 598, 3,490, 4,656, and 4,694. Arrange it from greatest to least. Okay, do it. Now, good job, grade 3. And now, let's discuss the answers. So, the correct answer is, okay, you may check your paper. So, from greatest, pinaka mataas na number, no, numbers, hanggang sa pinaka maliit na numbers. Okay, so we have 4,694. Next, 4,656. As you can see, parehas yung thousands, parehas yung hundreds, no? Magbe-base ka dun sa tens, sa 9 tsaka sa 5. Okay, so next, kay 4,656, ang next natin, 3,490. Sumunod, 985, and ang pinaka-least, no, 598. Pinaka mataas, pababa. Okay? If you got all the correct answers, no, nasunod-sunod, good job, very good. If not, ganun ulit, practice more, grade 3. So for our recap points, we have, tandaan ang mga sumusunod na to, no? Let's read all together. Look at the thousands digit first. Next, if they are the same, check the hundreds, then tens, then ones. Next, least to greatest. From smallest to biggest. Ang ibig sabihin, pag narinig yung least to greatest, ito yung pinakamaliit sa pinakamalaki. And when we hear or we see greatest to least, ito yung from biggest to smallest. And that's the end of our lesson for today, grade 3. You did a great job learning how to order numbers from least to greatest and greatest to least. Just remember, always look at the thousands, then the hundreds, tens, and ones. Keep practicing so you'll become even more confident in math. Math is fun when you understand. See you again next time, grade 3. Love and prayers, Teacher Shen. Goodbye!